Hey guys, what's up? There's actually an emergency alert on the TV. I'm at Chuck's right now. I was watching the sports network until the TV turned black, and now there's alert ready. I thought it was just from school.
There you go.
Surprise Amber Alert, guys. The fourth one in 2019.
Well, it's on again.
It's page 1 out of 2.
It's 5 victims.
What the? Wow, this might be a real abduction. Instead of just scrolling. Sorry guys, I'm shaking because I'm scared.
That's weird.
It is weird.
Oh, it's back on.
Okay, but eat.
I don't know if you can hear the tone. You've got to be kidding me. Yeah, it's been 3 years since I saw it on TV. Hold on, radio for the truck.